Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys glide tapping guys. How can we on and friend, how can we use it? Friends, you want to on guys your Infinix phone glide tapping. So friend, how can we on and friend, how can we use it? Today friends, I will show you. So guys, we will talk about keyboard setting guys. So open your phone setting guys, and guys you will have to show guys your keyboard. So guys, we will show guys our keyboard setting, and friends you can see keyboard will on, and guys click on phone setting, and guys scroll your friends you can see keyboard guys glide tapping guys. We will tap here. So guys we will enable guys this all setting guys, and you can use guys this glide setting from here guys. So guys you can use guys this glide tapping from here like that guys. You can use guys like how to, as you can see, use like that guy. We can use guys this glide tapping in our Infinix phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use guys glide tapping like that guys. You want to like find, so guys you can like find, come, done guys. You can use guys this setting from here. So that like that guys you can use guys your glide tapping in your Infinix phone device. So bye guys.